12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Louis 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swan, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden. Alright y'all, so I'm ready. I'm gonna change my lipstick stuff to put on some clear because I don't think my makeup is done good enough for this lipstick. It's this one, the see that Boutique Beauty. It's this lady named Ty that she's a content creator, really great. I love her cosmetics. But I'm gonna switch to clear, I think. But this is, I'm wearing this green outfit today. So hold on, I'm gonna show y'all better. So we are waiting to start the Christmas party. It's 6:25. Y'all can see the people behind me. And so let's come along with us for the journey. So today is Vlogmas. I skipped 2 days, so y'all just ignore it and pretend like this is day number 4, okay? So I am making, what am I making? 2 recipes. One is called Angel Food Cake. No, it's called Angel Cookies using Angel Food Cake mix. And then the other one is gonna be gingerbread cookies. So y'all gonna come, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me as much as possible. So let's get into it. Okay y'all, so for this recipe, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm putting in there. So 1 box of Angel Food Cake mix. You need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I got that somewhere. Oh, I need to go find it. Oh, hold on, it's right here. 1 of oh, this is flavor, but anyway, and soda. So I use this. I'm using sparkling seltzer water. I'm pretty sure it's probably not gonna be sweet, but that's okay because that's what we want. We don't want a lot of sweetness to it, and it'll be enough from the mix. But this is black cherry. The recipe calls for black cherry diet soda, and then 1 ounce of dried sweetened coconut flakes. And this is what we have here. So that's what I'm getting ready to mix together. I'm about to preheat my oven first though. And then it says in a mixing bowl, mix the cake mix, vanilla and soda. And then if it's too sweet, then I can add more soda to my liking. So, oh, y'all couldn't see my face, but yeah. So if it's not sweet enough, I can add more soda to my liking. But I'm gonna add some other stuff to it. Not sweet. If it's too thick, I can add soda. All right, be back. So this was just a test run. I'm testing it for flavor more so than like being presentable. So this is what it looked like right now. I gotta put them on a 10-minute timer and I'm gonna come back to them. But they were smaller than this when I first put them in. Cooking intermission. My mom really went overboard this is for our Christmas party. We're having a Christmas Eve party. And she bought all these paint your own cookies because our theme is gingerbread.
Oh, I got it.
And look, she got more cookies.
Wait. Stop the presses.
Oh my gosh, she got sweaters.
These are chocolate.
Come back. Hold up your creation. She's so proud.
I'm so
proud. Thanks, Mom. This is so great. This is gonna go great with the gingerbread houses that I have. Look at this, guys.
12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Louis 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and ceiling, swan 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
So I needed help, guys. I had to bring reinforcements in. Grandma, it's her elbow. She don't want to be seen right now. She's cooking. There go her hands. See, these are grandma hands. These are hands that have been baking for years. Show us how it's done, Grandma. Look at that. That look like hands that know how to bake.
That's your mouth. What temperature did they say cook them on?
Oh, I don't know. I got it. Let me go look. Mom, please stop. Please.
Give me a hug.
Just stop.
She's stingy. She's
okay,
stingy.
fine. I'll give you a hug.
Okay.
You got booger. No, I'm just kidding.
No. Put that on Instagram.
What were the first batch? But what were these called? Angel. These are the angel cookies. So I learned a lesson. I cooked them too long. They were too high. So I burned the bottom. But the top has a nice little. It's kind of like a, what do you call it, Grandma? Like a meringue type crust. Yeah. So they're a little squishy on the, crunchy at the top, but on the inside they're gooey. All right, I'm about to pull out the gingerbreads now. Okay, so you guys, these are the gingerbread cookies. Now we haven't done the cutouts yet. This was just our trial run, but they have a really good flavor because we tried these earlier. They're fluffy. They're really good. Look at them. I had to give. This is what you saw my grandma kneading earlier. She was baking like she was back in the day baking.
12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Louis 9